Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka number 37. And why should they not, O great souled one, bow to thee, greater than all else, the primal cause even of Brahma, O infinite being, O Lord of Lords, O abode of the universe, you are the imperishable, that which is beyond both the manifest and the unmanifest.
Chapter 11, Shloka 37. Kasmachatena nameran mahatman gariyese brahmanopyadhikartre ananta devesha jagannivasa tvamaksharam sadasat tatparam yat.
Chapter 11, Shloka 37. Everyone bows down to the Lord as the primal cause of even the Creator, who creates this multiple world of perceptions, feelings, and thoughts. Like the mud in all the pots, the primal cause pervades everything, constituting of the names and forms. You are the Lord of Lords, not only of the universe, but even the denizens of heavens and the great powers, for all derive their strength from the infinite truth, the source of all powers. The world can fall into two categories, the manifest and the unmanifest, or the vasanas, which are subtle causes which order the individual to live in the world. Arjuna recognizes the Lord as both the manifest and the unmanifest as well, and he is also that which transcends them both. Like in the theatre, we enjoy the tragedy and comedy, but the light which illumines these both is that which transcends them both. The wedding ring is made of gold, and the wedding necklace is also made of gold. But gold cannot be defined as the necklace or the ring. The gold is not only the ring or the necklace, but that which transcends them both. Similarly, Lord, being the essential truth in all names and forms, is both the manifest and the unmanifest, and he also has a status that transcends both these conditions. In fact, that which makes the manifest and unmanifest possible is the light of awareness, the pure consciousness, the universal Lord, whom Arjuna is invoking here. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.